yourself on this. What kind of walls you have.
Yes.
You got to know what's
Ammunition.
beyond your target every single time,
Yes.
because the last thing you want is to be shooting somebody out your front door that's going right into your neighbor's house and they're innocent kid. Like, that's an education point that I want people to understand is there's a lot more to just knowing this caliber is going to do this, a hollow point's going to do this. Like, you need to know what kind of walls you have, what kind of ammo is going to go through that walls, what that wall going to stop. Is it going to be enough to put someone down? And I know if you're hearing this for the first time, you're just like, oh crap, I've got it all wrong. Like, no, something's better than nothing, but educate yourself on this.